need a website, hosting, and domains? What if I told you that you do not need an expensive service like ClickFunnels and Leadpages to build funnels? What if I told you that now you can create unlimited websites with unlimited hosting and unlimited domains for free, for life? Yes, that's right. It's all free for life. You can create unlimited websites, host unlimited domains, and never pay for hosting again. Let me introduce you to Pages, a completely new platform which is currently in beta, and you can become a beta member. It is a big advantage that you never ever have to pay for hosting again. The cool thing is it is built in new frame and Google index first, which means that your websites are optimized for SEO purposes. Your websites will rank higher in the top of Google because of mobile proof. You can get access to this deal for life. It's for short time, it's almost out of beta, and then you will have to pay $99 to $199 per month. But right now, you can take advantage and get this amazing platform for one-time price. If you are interested, click on the link in the description.